rose is red with petals so sweet. In the garden it's a lovely treat. Sunflower tall, reaching the sky, turns to the sun, waving high. Daisy white with a yellow crown, smiling bright, never a frown. Tulip blooms in colors so bright, a rainbow of joy, pure delight. Lily so white, pure and fair, in the garden it's beyond compare. Daffodil dances in the spring breeze, golden and bright, it sways with ease. Marigold shines in orange and gold, a warm glow in the garden to hold. Hibiscus blooms big and wide, with colors that brighten every side. Jasmine smells so sweet at night, filling the air with pure delight. Lavender purple, soft and fine, a soothing scent that's simply divine. Orchid blooms in purple and pink, a beauty that makes you stop and think. Pansy smiles with a colorful face, in the garden it finds its place. Poppy sways with petals so red, in the field it's a lovely bed. Iris blooms in colors so grand, in the garden it takes a stand. Carnation blooms in shades so bright, a flower of love, pure and light. Petunia sings with colors galore, in the garden it's never a bore. Chrysanthemum blooms in autumn's chill, with colors that warm and hearts to fill. Lotus floats on water so still, a symbol of peace, calm and will. Peony blushes in pink delight, in the garden it's a lovely sight. Violet small with a purple hue, a tiny bloom that's lovely too. Zinnia blooms in summer sun, with colors bright, it's always fun. Dahlia blooms with petals so wide, in the garden it's a source of pride. Magnolia blooms in springtime air, with petals large and scent so rare. Begonia blooms in shades of pink, in the garden it makes you think. Hydrangea clusters full and round, in the garden they're easily found. Morning glory climbs through the sky, with blooms that greet the day so high. Gladiolus blooms with colors so bright, a garden soared in the morning light. Aster blooms in late summer's glow, with starry petals that gently show. Geranium blooms with colors so gay, in the garden it brightens the day.
A bell rings in the morning dew, with petals that sparkle, fresh and new. Flowers, flowers everywhere, in the garden they love to share. Colors bright and petals fair, flowers blooming here